Hey, this is Dan over at Walser Toyota, and today we're going to show you how to adjust the clock settings in your new Toyota. All right, we're going to show you how to set up your clock in your new Toyota here, which is super simple. So all we're going to do is on your main screen, we're going to hit the settings button here, which is going to give us our standard settings. We're going to go to General. We're going to go to Date and Time, and that's going to bring up our clock. Now we can set our time zone, which we're currently set at Central. What's great about this is this has your time zone auto set to your vehicle. Daylight savings you can turn on and off. 24-hour time you can turn on and off to your liking. But once you set up your time zone and set up whether or not you want daylight savings to be automatic, that is all you got to do and your clock will never be wrong. Hey, thanks for watching the video. I hope we were able to get you helped out with setting up your clock in your new Toyota. If you have anything you need at all, don't hesitate to stop on by the store. We're happy to help. Thanks.